Next, we're going to start talking about rational functions. Rational functions are just a quotient of two polynomials. So all it looks like is one polynomial over another polynomial. Now we've already found the domain of several rational functions. We just didn't call them rational functions at the time. So let's start by finding the domain of this guy, 2x minus 3 over x minus 1. And to do that, we just say that x minus 1 is not equal to 0, so that we get that x is not equal to 1. So we can write this as the set of all x such that x is not equal to 1. Or negative infinity to 1, union 1 to infinity, all open. And so now we have the domain of this function. So for this next example, x plus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 6, what we need is for x squared plus 5x plus 6 to not equal 0. And to do this, we factor. We get x plus 2 times x plus 3, so that x plus 2 is non-zero and x plus 3 is non-zero, so x is not equal to negative 2 and x is not equal to negative 3. So in set notation, we can write this as the set of all x such that x is not equal to negative 2 or negative 3. Or in interval notation, we get negative infinity to negative 3, open, union negative 3 to negative 2, open, union negative 2 to infinity, open. And it's important to make sure that these numbers are in order. Now this last rational function, x squared plus 2x minus 3 over x plus 3, we're not going to pay any attention to the numerator. We just get x plus 3 is not equal to 0, so x is not equal to negative 3. So our domain is the set of all x such that x is not equal to negative 3. Or in interval notation, negative infinity to negative 3 open, union negative 3 to infinity. Now if we had paid attention to the numerator, we would see that it factors into x plus 3, x minus 1. And you may want to go ahead and cancel. But if you cancel, you have to remember to eliminate the case when x equals negative 3. So we have to restrict the domain here. Our rational function is not the same as x minus 1 because the domains are different. And for two functions to be the same, they have to have the same domain as well.